Welcome to Insights with Thomas Caldwell on Thursday, August the 3rd, 2023. Tom, I know that everyone is discussing it and it's still really important and on everyone's, top of mind. Let's talk about interest rates.
Well, I guess the question is, when are they going to stop? My sense is that we're certainly near the top. I mean, we can't go very much further because it actually is an inappropriate tool. The tool for containing inflation at this point is out of control federal spending, both in Canada and in the United States. That's what's driving inflation. If you have monetary policy moving in one direction and fiscal the other, it's just, you've got to keep raising interest rates too high. But my sense is it's topped out, and equity markets appear to have accommodated this level of interest rates, and they seem to be moving on. The markets seem to be moving on despite what central banks do. And the economy is chugging ahead. Inflation is a little bit more benign, but I think it's under control. I don't think they can do much more, nor should they do. They've got to go back to the feds and say, guys, stop spending money.
Okay, so recently I heard you talk about something called the sneaky bull. So let's discuss
Well,
it.
I always like to think of some name like that that sticks in the sneaky bull market. Everybody's been sitting around, this market's not doing much except for the high-tech stocks, which we referred to earlier in some of these chats. This peak of the Amazons and all that, they really moved, and that's moved the indices, but the rest of the market is down about 20% year on year, give or take, 15, something like that. And what is happening is now the major ones seem to have, the high-techers seem to have topped out a little bit, and these others are moving up. It's not really showing much in indices, but markets are up literally in the last month, 4%, 3, 4, 5%, depending. And then these outlier stocks that have not done well over the year to date are now picking up quite significantly. Even, dare I mention it, Alibaba, which is, again, the Asian version of Amazon, it's up close to 20% in the last 2 weeks. So you're having the outliers now starting to fill in, because the thing you got to keep in mind, I believe, is there is so much money sloshing around the world looking for investment opportunities. And that's what I think people are missing in terms of markets. So as you know, I tend to be an incurable optimist, and I remain so.
Thanks for your insights, Tom.
Thank you.
And thank you all for watching. Bye for now.